Hey, y'all. Happy tax filing day. This is Kenyatta Walker Tax and Bookkeeping Firm. I have a few things I want to share with you. So please like this video, share this video to everybody because we need to get the word out. So what I want to tell you is to please do not rush and file your taxes. Just because your homegirl filed their taxes doesn't mean you need to be in a rush. I encourage you to wait on all of your documents. Tax returns with EIC, which is the Earned Income Credit, monthly child tax credit payments, the dependent child and dependent care expenses and payments. There's a strong possibility that your refund may go into manual review. It doesn't mean that something is wrong. It's just that the IRS can at any time randomly audit someone. So just be prepared for that. And the IRS, they do have over 5 million tax returns that are still behind from last year. So y'all keep that in mind and just know that if you have all these extra special credits that don't expect your refund until after February 14th. Some of you all know about the Tax Cut and Jobs Act that passed. So it's really out of our control. We have to do according to what the IRS says. The IRS refund chart that's going around, that is not accurate. So if you've been doing your taxes or if you have any questions, concerns, or you're scared to fool with your taxes, I suggest you get with a trusted tax preparer, one who has continuing education, one who give you tips. It's good to give tips here and there. Get you somebody that can file electronically with the IRS. Don't get somebody that's been doing taxes in the hood and they don't know the tax laws. So, y'all, that's all I want to share with you. If you have any questions, I can be reached at walkerstaxservice.com. If you're ready to file, you can go to my website, walkerstaxservice.com, to book your appointment.